Gentlemen, have you ever felt the sting of rejection? That bitter moment when a woman you desire turns you down? Imagine turning those painful no's into effortless yes. What if I told you that seducing any woman can be as easy as following a few powerful steps? Intrigued? Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to captivate any woman you set your sights on. Before we dive in, let me ask you, what's the most challenging part about approaching a woman for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear your experiences. The first key is leveraging the power of reciprocity. Picture this: every time you do something kind and thoughtful for a woman, whether it's as simple as helping her with a problem or surprising her with something she loves, you're planting a seed in her mind. This seed grows into a desire to reciprocate, to give back to you in some way. It's not about being manipulative, it's about creating a cycle of goodwill. When she sees that your actions come from a place of genuine care, she'll feel a natural pull towards you, making her more open to whatever you suggest. Now, as powerful as reciprocity is, it works even better when combined with the principle of scarcity. You see, we all want what we can't easily have. If you're always available, always the first to answer her calls or drop everything to be with her, she might start to take you for granted. But when you create a bit of distance, when you're not always so easily accessible, you become a rare commodity in her life. This doesn't mean playing hard to get, it means valuing your time and showing that you have a life beyond her. When she realizes that your time is precious, she'll value it more, and as a result, she'll crave those moments she gets to spend with you. Speaking of value, let's move to the third key: authority. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence and competence. It's not about being the loudest or the most boastful, it's about demonstrating through your actions that you are a man who knows what he's doing. Whether it's at work, in a hobby, or even in the way you handle everyday situations, show that you're someone who can be relied upon. Let's say you're a great cook. Instead of talking about it, invite her over for dinner and let your culinary skills speak for themselves. When you project this kind of authority, she'll see you as someone worth following, someone who can lead with confidence, both in and out of the relationship. But authority alone isn't enough. You also need to understand the power of consistency. People naturally want to stay true to their commitments. So, start with the small things. Ask her to pick out a restaurant, or suggest watching a movie together. These small agreements build a pattern. Once she's accustomed to saying yes to these minor requests, it becomes easier for her to say yes to bigger things, like spending a weekend together or trying something new in your relationship. Consistency builds trust, and trust lays the foundation for deeper connection. Finally, let's not forget about the importance of liking and social proof. We're all drawn to people who are similar to us, who we genuinely like, and who we feel understand us. Find those common interests, whether it's a shared love for music, movies, or adventures, and use them to build rapport. Compliment her sincerely, work together on fun projects, and always remember, people are more likely to say yes to someone they like. And when others, especially those she respects, are doing something you're suggesting, she's more likely to want to join in too. That's the power of social proof.